Some people have written books, some have a great look that covers them. Staring into the blue sky and just waiting. Of what awaits. What like dust in the wind, living in. Well, I don't know. Am I part of a grander? Some people that put their faith into someone who's after it. I don't know what to do. I'm staring, waiting. Is certain of what awaits them when it all ends, but I don't know what will I be remembered? Like dust in the